Hey there, campers! Here's how to get coarse ores in Outbound. You can find plenty of coarse ores at the location I'm pointing to on the map. It's northeast of Sunbeam Acres Farm, around this rocky area right here. Before you can mine them, you'll need a level 2 pickaxe. Crafting one requires reinforced planks, silver bark planks, and thread. To get those materials, you'll need to craft metal using a metal smelter and use it along with everwood planks to make reinforced planks made from the nailing station. You'll also need a level 2 axe to harvest silver bark wood, which can then be processed into silver bark planks at the sawmill. For thread, you'll need access to a spinning wheel, which can be unlocked at Sunbeam Acres Farm. Once you have all the required workstations and materials, craft the level 2 pickaxe. After that, head to the location marked on the map. You'll find a rock quarry there. Drive into the quarry and look around for clusters of tube-like rocks sticking out of the ground. These are the coarse ores. Simply interact with them, and your character will automatically mine them using the level 2 pickaxe. Make sure to gather plenty while you're there to save yourself multiple trips back to the quarry later on. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.